Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are good. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Click the bell notification to always notify you whenever we post any new video. So in today's video, we want to show you how you can make your own homemade bread. It is simple and it is easy. Today we are going to bake wheat bread, and wheat bread is loaded with lots of health benefits. One of these benefits is that it contains complex carbohydrates. It doesn't have fat. Unless you bake it with oil, it doesn't contain fat. It gives the body protein, vitamins, minerals. It helps in digestion. It also helps you in your weight management, especially when you are on a weight loss journey. It helps in boosting a healthy heart. So guys, if this is like what you want to learn how you can prepare this in your own home, keep watching because we are here for you. Without wasting your time, let us dive into the video of the day. So the first thing you're going to add is your warm milk, add your yeast, add your grinded sugar, salt, and mix everything together. And after mixing it together, you add your egg, add your vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil for this recipe. So you need to combine everything very well, and then you will start adding in your flour. And after adding your flour, you mix everything together to form a dough. Please guys, just keep watching to see how we bake this delicious bread. So after you have formed the dough, you put it back into your bowl, cover it to sit for like 1 hour. So this is 1 hour later. You're gonna bring the dough. First of all, you punch it to release the air inside the dough. Then bring it out onto your work surface. Spread a little amount of flour to fold the bread. So at this point I will brush it with egg. After brushing it, I will add a little amount of almond nuts on top of it and put it in the oven to bake for 30 to 45 minutes, and it is done.